Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create an app folder on iPhone. So in order to create an app folder on iPhone, all you need to do is head over to your iPhone home screen. And then in order to create a folder just like this, what you need to do is find some apps that you want to add into your folder. So I have 4 apps right here and I want to add them to one folder. To do this, hold down one of the apps and swipe them into the other app you want to add into a folder just like this. And you can continue doing this by just clicking this away and holding down an app and just swiping it into that folder. And just like I showed you, you can just simply hold down one app, swipe them into another app, and you will automatically create a folder. Once you've done that, you can open that folder and you can also change the name by simply holding down the app, then clicking on rename, and you will be able to rename your folder. And basically that's all you need to do in order to create a folder over on your iPhone home screen. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.